Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to help you resolve if the Google Chrome spell checking utility or feature is not working properly in the browser. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is just open up the Google Chrome web browser, and the first thing you want to do is navigate over to a web page. So I'm just going to go google.com. So again, you want to make sure you're actually on a website here, not just the launch page if it just happens to be the Chrome welcome screen. So once we're on an actual web page here, you want to right click in a text field, and then you want to left click where it says spell check in this drop down menu. And then there should be an option that says check the spelling of text fields. You want to make sure it's check marked. So if it's not check marked, you see I just unchecked it, so you want to just click it one time and make sure it's a check mark next to it. So check the spelling of the text fields. You want to just left click on that to enable that, so then it should be able to spell check in the future. And you also have your language up here, and if you select language settings, you can change what language it'll use for its spell checking utility. So you can see the language as well as spell check. So if you click inside this drop down here, it'll let you know what language it's going to be spell checking in, and you can just toggle to the on position by clicking the little oval, so turning one off and you can turn the other one on basically. And if you do custom spelling, you can select that one as well. So if you have custom words, you could add them there. So pretty straightforward process. And then again, if you want to change the language, just click the drop down underneath language up here at the top, and you can select add languages and select a different language. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.